Primetime News this evening. Police Commissioner vows to clamp down on gangs recruiting young boys. Jamaica Fire Brigade says most schools have outlived previous building codes. And Ocharia's craft vendors frustrated as long-standing issues continue to affect their trade.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the United Kingdom is pledging to have more investments in the local economy, and we're also going to be looking at agriculture because the expectation is that it will provide for a larger chunk of the local GDP. So I'll have those details later on.
And big expectations as well for what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jermaine, what are you delivering?
Thanks, Archie. Well, the J3As, they continue to face criticism following the country's disappointing showing at the World Relays last weekend in the Bahamas. We'll tell you where their latest criticism is coming from.
And there's something that I'm not disappointed about, and that's the weather.
If he has good news.
Romain, what's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
Thanks, Janelle. A drier pattern is expected to emerge across the island over the next few days as we move into the weekend and next week, so we should be seeing more sunshine in the afternoons.
I told you, wrong answer. There's also sports commentary E-Prime, and as you heard, there's weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, name 2 things you think are going well in Jamaica now. Give reasons for your answer.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.